For our time in Valencia, we're staying at this hotel, the Venecia Plaza Centro. It's really well located in the Plaza del Ayuntamiento, and we're going to give you a quick tour of the hotel to show you what it's like. So the Venecia Plaza Centro Hotel in Valencia, really good hotel. It's an excellent location because it's right in the centre here. Rooms are really comfortable, and it's got really good facilities when you want to leave your luggage there on the last day. Like today, we were able to leave it in there. We just waited in there a bit of time until it's ready to get our taxi. So overall, highly recommend the hotel.